Hello guys! Today I want to unbox Hasbro Princess Rapunzel. The box is cheap. Here is only cardboard and clear plastic. The doll has a very pretty face mold, but that's all. The dress is simple, with the shiny glitter parts. It closes by Velcro in the back. Her body reminds me Ever After High dolls, but it's not jointed in the knees and elbows. The worst thing that I can see is her hair. They should be long and thick, but they are not, so I will fix it. First of all, I make a ponytail. You can cut the hair, but I'll shave the head because it's a bit faster. I remove the hair from the inside of the head. After, I make a wig cap. How to make it you can see in one of my previous videos. Tap on the I button to see it. In addition to the cap, you will need hair, clear glue, a file, and some metal needle or a stick, or an ordinary toothpick, but I highly recommend to use something metal. Even if I have hair threads, I prefer to make it by myself. So I take the hair and put it on a file. Don't take big parts, because it will be thick even if you spread it. So I take a small part glue and spread it with metal stick. If you take wooden toothpick, it may stick to the hair. I make some more hair strips. I wait couple of minutes and cut the excess. And now I glue it to the wig cap layer by layer. The wig is almost done. The final step is a parting. It's the hardest moment, and each artist has own method to make the parting. If you use natural hair, Angora or alpaca, you are saved because it's very soft and flexible, but I have hardest one. Nylon hair become flexible because of the heat, so I will use small iron. Using some tape and a hairpin, I fix the part with the heat. I make the same from another side. I correct parting line with iron. And finally, my paint and this wig are done. Here is new outfit and the wig for Rapunzel. In the next time I will show you a face-up process. But now she finally has long thick hair. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!